Before the opening bell, U.S. indices falling on Thursday, pressured by shares in the healthcare, equipment and services, media and transportation sectors. Fed Chair Janet Yellen saying that she is amongst most FOMC participants who anticipate an initial interest rate increase later this year. Also, decliners ahead of advancers, 64% of SP 500 constituents trading lower yesterday. Now, after the market close, Nike reporting first quarter EPS of $1.34 versus $1.09 a year ago on sales of $8.4 billion. Bed Bath & Beyond posting second quarter EPS of $1.21 compared to $1.17 1 year ago on revenue of $3 billion, and Google back under U.S. antitrust scrutiny over its Android mobile operating system. This according to Bloomberg, citing people familiar with the matter. Now turning overseas, Asian markets mixed today. The Nikkei up about 1 3/4%, the Hang Seng up 0.43%, and South Korea's Kospi down 0.22%. European markets are upwards, and U.S. futures, they are calling for a positive open on this, the final trading session of the week. Now, speaking of earnings, once again, we have a session where there are no major earnings releases expected today, while on the economic data front, 8:30 in the morning, second quarter GDP annualized, quarter over quarter, that's expected at 3.7%. 9:45 in the morning, we have both U.S. composite and services PMI figures, and 10 o'clock in the morning, we have the University of Michigan consumer sentiment read for the month of September. Now, regarding the trend on indices, Trading Central says the SP 500 seeing a continuation of the rebound, the contract breaking above a bearish channel, the 50-period moving average rising and providing support. The relative strength index bullish and calling for further upside, and long positions above 1897 are favored, with targets at 1958 and 1972 in extension. At the Nasdaq, also seeing further advance, preferring long positions above 4185, and the Dow Jones turning up, preferring long positions above 15,910.